Friends, Oppo Reno6 5G runs on Android 11, color OS 11.3 and powered by MediaTek MT6877 Dimensity 900 5G processor with 2.4 GHz octa-core and GPU Mali G78 MP4. Whereas Oppo A53 5G runs Android 10, color OS 7.2 and powered by MediaTek MT6853V processor with 2.0 GHz octa-core and GPU Mali G57 MC3. If we see the display of this device, you can find 6.43 inches screen size with the AMOLED display that comes with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels with 409 ppi pixels density and also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 screen protection. Whereas Oppo A53 5G, it is 6.5 inches device with LTPS IPS LCD display having resolution 2400 by 1080 pixels with 405 ppi pixels density. Talking about the internal memory, then Oppo Reno6 5G comes in two variants. One is 128GB with 12GB RAM and the other variant is 128GB with 8GB RAM, but there is no micro SD support. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in black color, blue color, Aurora and purple colors. Moving on to Oppo A53 5G, it is available in two variants of primary storage, that is 128GB with 4GB RAM and other one is also with 128GB but with 6GB RAM. But there is no micro SD support in this device. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in black, green and purple colors. Oppo Reno6 5G comes in dimension of 156.8 by 72.1 by 7.6 mm of height, width and thickness and 182 grams of weight with a dual nano SIM option. Whereas Oppo A53 5G measures 162.2 by 75 by 7.9 mm of height, width, thickness and 175 grams of weight with dual nano SIM support. About the rear camera setup, then Oppo Reno6 5G consists of triple 64 plus 8 plus 2 megapixels with 1.7, 2.2 and 2.4 apertures with wide angle, ultra wide angle, macro, PDAF, LED flash, HDR and panorama mode. It shoots out videos of Full HD at 30 frames per second with the gyro EIS and also equipped with 32 megapixels with 2.4 aperture and wide angle with panorama mode, secondary camera that can record the videos of 4K at 30 frames per second and Full HD at 30 or 60 frames per second. Moving on to primary camera of Oppo A53 5G, it comes with triple primary camera setup with 16 plus 2 plus 2 megapixels with 2.2, 2.4 and 2.4 apertures with wide angle, macro and depth sensor. It comes with LED flash, HDR and panorama mode. It shoots out videos of 4K and Full HD at 30 frames per second with gyro EIS and also equipped with 8 megapixels secondary camera with wide angle and 2.0 aperture that can record the videos of Full HD at 30 frames per second. Friends, Oppo Reno6 5G is integrated with under-display optical fingerprint sensor. This device also comes with some more sensors like gyroscope, compass, proximity and accelerometer with the color spectrum. This phone comes with Wi-Fi direct, dual band, Bluetooth, GPS, hotspot, NFC, but there is no radio, USB Type-C and USB on the go with fast charging 22.5 watts with Super VOOC 2.0 technology. This phone is powered by non-removable 4300 mAh battery as well. Whereas in Oppo A53 5G, you can find side-mounted fingerprint sensor with some more sensors like accelerometer, compass, proximity, gyroscope. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band, hotspot, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi direct FM radio, GPS, USB Type-C, USB on the go, charging 10 watts and non-removable 4040 mAh battery as well.
So that was the quick comparison of both smartphones. You can also check further details in the description below. What do you think about these smartphones? Do let us know in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.